Dewey Humboldt or Prescott?
That's the dilemma. What's the best pick? Which one should you choose? Hello everyone, I'm Carlo Zanella, your Prescott Arizona realtor. Whether you want to purchase a house or you want to list your house, I'll be happy to help. Drop me a line or just give me a call. I want to talk about the difference today between Prescott and Dewey Humboldt. Dewey Humboldt geographically sits about 20-25 minutes east of Prescott. Also, it looks really different from Prescott. A good portion of Prescott is surrounded by the Prescott National Forest and what we would say the mountains. We have the cute downtown, but it's surrounded by beautiful communities nested into the Prescott National Forest. Dewey Humboldt is more like the countryside. Still very charming, especially in the eastern part of Dewey. It's got these beautiful rolling hills. You can buy a ranch or a house on acreage there with amazing views. Why the price difference? Prescott's got very limited inventory and is very desirable for its location, the cute downtown, and it's got all the services of any average American city. Dewey, it's more of a rural area, doesn't really have much as far as services. But in the nearby Prescott Valley, you have hospitals. There is the East Campus of the Yavapai Regional Medical Center, grocery stores, 5-10 minutes away. So Dewey is not far out in the middle of nowhere. Actually, it's not at all. What are the advantages? Of course, much lower prices. I mean, if you think about the median list price in Prescott right now, it's $774,500 versus Dewey, which is $567,000. That's quite a big difference. The price per square foot in Prescott is $350, and in Dewey, it's only $273. That's quite a big difference. Is this real estate price difference justified? I would say yes, because Prescott is Prescott. It's got its own charm. It's the home of more than 800 historical buildings and also has a huge variety of housing. If you want to be up in the woods, a higher elevation, you can choose to buy something like that, or you can live near downtown in a historical home, so turn of the century. They're both great places, and it's really up to you to decide which one will fit best your lifestyle. I'd be happy to show you both. In fact, if you're thinking about purchasing or if you have a house for sale, I'll be happy to help. Drop me a line or give me a phone call and we can meet. If you found this segment informative, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. So long.